On to the next casino, Four Queens. Here we go, everybody. Four Queens. You can see downtown Las Vegas, Fremont Street. Let's take a gander in here. Man, it's cold. All right, let's go counterclockwise. Look at the decor here. A lot of lights, chandeliers. Well, actually, I wouldn't call them chandeliers. At least they don't have a lot of copyright music playing. That's good. Wow, that's a big fish. Yeah, for all you fishing folk. You ever played this game? Hawaiian fishing? Palace bar in the middle here. They got Dryer's Ice Cream, Subway, and then a pizza place here. Nice. There's the bar right here. Alright. Oh, wow. I'm gonna apologize right off the bat for all the turning and spinning and turning. So you know this camera is not that great for recording when it pans. We're walking over by the Players Club, which is across from the little food court area that I just mentioned. You got the Prosperity Links, Lightning Links, Fire Links, a bunch of links, Dragon Links. Yeah. Jackpot Carnival, and we're over by the Four Queens Hotel lobby area. You see how I have my camera mounted? Yep. Here we go. There is the lobby area. Let's continue walking. They got Planet Moolah and Dragon Spin. Planet Moolah. I like that game. I only played it like twice. Won a decent amount. Go. Buffalo. All the table games in the middle. Security walking around. Hopefully I'm not walking too fast. But yeah. Dragon Links on the left. Press door luck. Cool, check this out. Over here they got Magnolias, Beagle Cellar, Press Door Luck games. Oh, look at the prime rib dinner for $23.99. Yeah. I'm gonna try the prime rib over at El Cortez. It's only $19.99. What is this? I haven't seen this one. This is Jinlong 888. Looks interesting. Yeah, it's funny that I don't know if I should say it. I'm not gonna say it. I don't want to be mean. Okay, I'm gonna say it. I see people winning like that, right? They get all excited. In the back of my mind, I'm like, yeah, we're all gonna give it back anyways, so. Get out, cash it out, hit cash out and run. Oh, man, I'm so mean. We're gonna exit over there later, but I want to continue this counterclockwise walkthrough here. Oh, wow, look at this thing. You can win one of these. Let's take a look. Check this thing out. Wow. Someone's gonna pay some taxes when they win that, right? Yeah. I want it now.
Those numbers sound familiar.
Alright, I'm gonna walk a little bit fast through this casino floor real quick and go back over to slots. There's a bar right here across from the craps table. Craps table is packed. The minimum bet is $10. It's not bad. $10 minimum bet for craps. And 4 queens. That's not bad at all. Yeah, I know you guys know I like bubble crabs, so this is one of the casinos that actually doesn't have the interblock bubble crabs or bubble crabs at all. So we're gonna walk by the sports bet area, which is very small. Look at this. Sports betting. Different fishing game. Look at that, look at the graphics on this. You can sit here and just look at that, huh? You hear that? Wheel of Fortune's calling me. Flaming pots. A lot of Wheel of Fortunes. And this is where I believe I walked in. Let me finish walking through over here, and then that'll be the walkthrough. 4 queens. Thank you for tuning in, everybody. On to the next casino. Walk at my speed and walk through the casino floor by the table games, and we'll just go to the next. Thank you for joining. Please like and subscribe. It helps this channel. We really appreciate it. Thank you for tuning in.
My cousin had like a 15 year old.
What casino is next? I'm on a mission today. We already walked through Binion's. We haven't seen that. We already walked through Golden Nugget. All right, thank you for tuning in, everybody.